I'm Vivian Leupp, and I'm the language arts teacher for 8th grade, and I am going to display how to make a figurative language flip chart for review. First, what you need to have are 7 different colors of paper, and these are computer-sized papers cut in half the lengthways. Then you need to lay them so they are staggered approximately 1/2 inch so that you have a flap, this is called a flap, of 1/2 inch for each color. So you lay them like this on a table. When you have them laid that way, you take the bottom part and you fold it up and make another 1/2 inch. In this case, we have 2 blues that will line up together. So whatever your colors are, you will have 2 of the same at the center. Now this gives us a flip chart where we have enough room for 13 items. This part here will be the title, and it will be titled Figurative Language Flip Chart. Let me show you the finished product. What we have here are 13 flips with figurative language listed, and the top flip will have the title, which is figurative language. Then the beauty of this is that if you flip this up, you will find that you have all the information necessary for the first figurative language, which is simile. Here we have the definition, here we have an example. Then I'll turn up the simile flip and it will be metaphor. Here is the definition, here is the example, and so on. The next one would be personification, so I'll flip up the metaphor. Here is the definition, here is the example. So you continue doing that until you have all of the figurative language listed. You'll notice we have 13 plus this item here. There are actually only 7 that are going to be tested at the 8th grade level, but we do use all of these, so we chose to put them all on. Then the last and final step is stapling. In fact, you probably would have wanted to staple before you wrote on this, just to keep them together. And the idea is to staple the entire group of papers, and you'll want to come down about 1/4 inch to catch that. That way when you flip it up, you give yourself as much space as you need. And that is how you put together a figurative language flip chart.